Exe nganza kwethu. This is a Durban Network. Ingosi yezemidlalo ke le iSports Avenue ngihlele esigqikini sasithokoziso entshangase ne-usual suspect yakhe noma i-co-host yakhe umfowapho ngani yakwethu asikubingelele studio.
Yeah, sibingelela mfowethu yaphila kodwa.
Hayi akufani nayizolo.
Yeah, sesiqinisa sasithoko lapha.
Impela.
Siyashisa siyabanda.
Yeah.
Yeah, cishe.
For sure.
Usithoko angithi uhamba nalezi manje wena uhamba neziphi? Angithi Sithoko uhamba nalezi. Zezibamba
I'm neutral.
Neutral.
Yeah. Hlelipha nendawo.
Wonke umuntu uphana nendawo lethu. Kodwa
Mfethu ositshela mawubuka nje umgqiqo right now iSundowns sanalo ithuba lokuthatha league.
Okokuqala nje ngibingelele ababukeli beDurban Network.
For sure.
Ngibingelele wonke umuntu bafethu. Siqhubeke niseseke niqhubeke nisisupport.
For sure.
Uphendula umbuzo wakho mfowethu. Mina nje ngingakusho njengoba ngangishilo eqaleni. I-league is very tight and ngiyithanda nje competition between Orlando Pirates neSundowns. Njengoba ngangishilo eqaleni ngisasho namanje. I-league idlalwa amaqembu amabini isizini yonke which is Sundowns nePirates. Wonke omunye umuntu bebhuquza. Njengamanje siyabuka ukuthi i-league iye emaphethelweni ama games asela u4.
Yeah. 4 games to go, bra. Yeah.
Angithi yibona? It's very tough. Abantu abaningi ngesikhathi bekusela ama games awu6 kade besho bethi hayi Sundowns ngeke ba drop ama points. But ngasho ngathi iSundowns is going to drop ama points.
Yes.
You know. And iSundowns mesiqalile se drop ama points abantu they won't believe. Ngake ngithatha kuphi lokho? Ngake ngithatha ekuthenini if ubuka ucoach Cardoso is not that kind of a coach. Ongathi mombuka ukuthi showcase.
Yeah.
Tactically umnandi but at the same time ayekho mnandi. Buya benayo lento yobugwala ebudingisho. Because if you look at the last game yakhe, I mean igame ekade idlala eRichards Bay. Game ekade idlala eRichards Bay. Udlala igame eRichards Bay but umqondo wakho seAfrica. Because abadlali abaningi the quality players ugcine ngaphandle. Wabuya nazo the 74.
Yima ngifuna ukubuza lo mbuzo before uzwa lapho. Ngokucabanga kwakho iSundowns I-winner because of philosophy or the technical approach Cardoso noma I-winner just because it's Sundowns. It's a structure that has been there for a very long time.
I-winner simply because they invest in quality players. There's a difference between quality and quantity. Sundowns they buy quality players. When you've got quality players, there are times where buyers will struggle as a team. And then that's when you're going to need an individual brilliance. That's when abadlali abafana nalomjidalo waseColombia lebeqade sanukufika manje.
Yes.
Angithi umbonile bawinela ama games I think about 3 go 1-0. That's an individual brilliance. uCardoso at that time confidence yakhe was very low. Tactically he was out. You know, but then those guys simply because there's a quality in Sundowns, they always have that belief. Look at teams like Man City.
Yes.
Manchester City was dead the first half of the season.
True.
They and then by January they signed only 2 players. The team was stabilized. And then the confidence came back because they've got the mentality.
Yes,
that's
sir.
what happened to Sundowns as well. First half of the season, Sundowns was off. You know, that is why all the times when I speak about Sundowns, I speak about quality players. I speak about the kind of investment the Motsepe family,
Yes.
ANC, everything. So mina belief yam right now, ukuthi turning point of Sundowns. It was under Pitso. What Coach Pitso did to Sundowns, yatena yonke into kweSundowns, mentality, structure, ambition,
Yes.
the belief, the confidence. It's there. Noba ubani osuka uyocoach iSundowns njengamanje. Angisho ukuthi umsebenzi wacoach awukho kuSundowns ukhona but yonke lento idingakalayo within the team it's there. Some people they talk about money and all that stuff. No. Imali kuSundowns beyisebenza kahle. They buy players, quality. So right so break right now Sigu League a lot of people they believe good Sundowns is going to have like just
walk in a park. Yeah.
It's not going to be easy because right now it would be easier if that's where you see or to coach or the manager or na team yakho how best he is. If they had the best coach, that's when you see that okay, no, we've got the best coach now. They would be able to switch when they play league, so switch when they play CAF. uCardoso aim yakhe is to win CAF. Look at how he play when he plays Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
You can see that no, the guy is not that serious with Betway. He is serious, but then Now akakwazi ukubalancisa between the Betway and the CAF. You know.
Yeah, he's got a depth.
You know, there's a depth, there's a quality. You know, you just need to manage the players. Just need to have the belief, you know, towards the players. So mina any ama reasons engivesana ngisho ngawo ukuthi no. This guy is not the is not the best solution for Sundowns going for a long term. Ubani ozowina league angimazi. Ayekho maziyo njengamanje. Pirates sengayewina league ngisasho. Sundowns sengayewina league semathubeni. Right now I think the points between them, I think it's 1 point. I think the other one is 2 points. Yeah, it's 61 and 59, right? So yeah, so it's a very tight one. Remember, Sundowns is still on the 15th. They are going to Africa to start journey up. Yeah, Cup final. The Pirates will be here preparing for Betway. That's an advantage to the Pirates because anything can happen in Africa. Injuries, fatigue. Mental wise, everything. Sure, that's when they need the best coach. Mangithena ngithi manager.
Because mawubuka kulabadlali kakhulu mhlawumbe abanje ngomkhuliso lihlakhu abahlala kakhulu ngaphandle kwi-Sundowns. Do you think they should be utilized, especially in the domestic games and stuff?
If ungizwile mangiqeda inkulumo yami ngikhuluma ngecoach ngakhuluma ngemanager. When you're a manager, you know how to manage your players. You know how to rotate them.
Yeah.
You know their quality. Even though they are not playing, but you make sure, but you keep confidence in them. Look at Pep Guardiola, what he does. He manages them very well. And when they come in, they change the game most of the times. Umuntu benching for 5 games. You know. Okay, so they need to learn those things. Mina, if I was Kaizer Chiefs right now, I'd buy Mkholisi, for example. I'm just making an example. This is the proof and the belief to me to say Mkholisi is quality. I would build any team in South Africa can build a team around Mkholisi. Jackie Savo, his quality. Coach Pitso Mosemane believed a lot in that guy because of his quality. Roland did the same because of his quality. I don't think Katoso does.
Yeah, I'm saying this Bungane ngoba kwesinye isikhathi Sundowns kunabadlali ethi mayibasacrificeile njenganomkwena for instance imsacrificeela for i-Champions League ifake abantu who cannot stand up, you know, who cannot meet that kind of football. So Mkholisi bahleli ngaphandle, people that we know ukuthi they are equal to the task.
Yes.
That's why ngibuza ngalendlela ukuthi really do you think aren't there players that are supposed to be utilized in the absence of players like Mokoena?
Ilokuzana role ka coach. When you're a coach, that's your role to make sure that everybody's ready. You know, whether you uyadlala but you're ready. When you're given a chance to showcase your talent, you do it.
Jeez,
it's not happening in Sundowns. Who do I blame? I blame the coach. That's why I'm saying how I wish African coach can learn to be managers as well. You know, because when you're a manager, you do both. You coach and then you manage the players as well.
True.
That's the role of the manager. But when you're a coach, you only focus on tactics.
Yes.
I think Cardoso is more obsessed with tactics more than because now masekulima lo umdlali Mkholisi yangena then uyibona indaba yakhe. You speak out about abadlali that are being sometimes about released by Sundowns. Look at Tiru win a cup last night.
Yes, true.
Simba.
True.
You see what happened?
Look at Lebohang Maboe at Chiefs. He's dominating the meet.
Dude, Tiru was the player of the tournament.
The tournament, yeah, I saw that.
He's also a captain, right? What does that mean? He's a leader. You're really a leader.
That means they've lost the player, good player.
Who released the player?
It's Cardoso.
It's Cardoso. When Cardoso came,
it's Cardoso.
When Cardoso came, I remember him very well. He said he's gonna trim his team. Then I look at this, and I was like, I don't think this is a good idea. It's starting to show now. You know, we need to admit Cardoso is not the solution for long-term Sundowns.
Jeez, bro.
That's all. And remember, if Cardoso is not the long-term solution for Sundowns, which means we as Bafana, we're in trouble. Because remember, whenever a team like Sundowns is stable, then we stand a chance as Bafana to have a lot of players because they buy quality. If a player from Colombia, for example, was coached by Pep Guardiola at some point. I'm just making an example. And then it comes to South Africa to play with Sundowns. He's gonna influence those players. Those players will be able to help Bafana.
True.
You know, we are going to the World Cup right now. You'll see Sundowns players, a lot of them. You know, but since the arrival of Cardoso, if you look at most Sundowns players, they're dropping. Let's take for example Mokoena. Mokoena before Cardoso, Mokoena's shot on target, shooter wakhe, they were more than 4.5 per game, but now he's shooting like less than 0.5, which means maybe one shot on target per game. You know his long ranges and all that stuff. But now with Cardoso says, let's go one goal and then close the shop. That's the kind of ball
approach yakhe.
You see what I'm talking about? So ziningi lezibulala bafana. It's not only Eugene Ross, also these guys.
Jeez, asibuki Bhaka, the second runner up right now, for which there's still a huge possibility ukuthi bangayithatha nabo i-league based on Sundowns izodlala kanjani.
Yes.
Asibuke i-structure sabo sokudlala, i-approach yabo to the game, efforts that they give to us the game. Do you think they still stand a chance ukuthi bayowin the league?
Mina, I do believe that the Pirates can still win the league. Pirates is one of those teams that will give you the best performance of the night, but sometimes they'll disappoint. They'll lose
They
the
do
game.
both.
You see? But then let's talk about. But then right now, let's take the positive side that can take them further.
Yeah.
In order for them to win the league. Ngifuna lapha ngaphambili ku-front you've got Police. You've got Urel. You've got ulumfana lodla 11 uTsepang. Khohle igama lakhe simazi ngalo.
Yeah, Tsepang
Morem, yes. And then in the middle of the park, my best combination, Makaula and Lokuzana. Makaula and the Kwamashu boy. Umbat. You see, when we have those guys, you've got the best attacking force. Because they will give you stability of the game. They'll give you best passes.
Yes.
They'll give you mentality. They'll give you goals. They'll give you dominance. They travel with 120 kilometers per hour, which is a speed sub. I can even exaggerate it to say that. But then they keep the tempo of the game, you know, which confuses the opponent at times. You know? Because remember, if the team comes with that kind of a force, then the opponent will be confused, the backline. But then, one thing that I've been emphasizing throughout the season is that Police, you're the main man. You're the one who makes them play. When they reach that point, drop the tempo of the game. He did it many times. He drops the tempo of the game. He passes the ball. What really does is score beautiful goals. That's what they want. Now, Orlando Pirates coach, this is working, right? A lot of teams that we're gonna play with, when they do their own analysis, they look at that. Make sure that on the other side, Tsepang is also influential in that level. The passes that come that side must be used. Remember, on the same side, there's a backline that moves along, which is Hoto. Hoto is one of the best. I call him a winger. Deliberate. I call him a winger. I don't call him a backline. I call him a winger because he's versatile. You know, he comes to help. When Hoto comes, remember you're gonna have double 10 now. Which means Sepang drops next to Rel. They stand a chance. Play short passes. Show them how to play those short passes so that they can free a Police. Immediately when they free a Police, the ball will go to a Police. Then the rest is it. And remember, they've got a clever striker right now, Butuma. Butuma is so brilliant. How? Whenever a Police or Rele has the ball, or even the winger has the ball, what Butuma is going to do is going to create a lot of space for other players to score. That's what Baxter used to do with Ungata in Kaizer Chiefs. Create a lot of space. You're not going to score all the times, but create a lot of space, you know. And then you go at the back. At the back, ayikho mnandi kangako. Since kwamba Mbokazi, they are abekho mnandi kangako. You can't rely on Usbisi. Usbisi is making a lot of mistakes, but at least he's improving. They need like a quality, you know, leader, you know. Someone who's going to say, guys, let's do it. We can do it, you know.
So into ewins Pirates ngokubuka kwakho, is it quality players? Is it a philosophy from Ado? Is it a technical awareness? What exactly, according to you, is making the team to prosper?
Engakusho into ewins Pirates is a bit of a both because Ado is so brilliant. I won't lie. Yes, sometimes he makes a lot of mistakes, but he's so brilliant. Because how do you judge a coach's brilliance? It's whereby most of the times the changes he makes. I'll give you one of the recent changes. Recently, what he did, he substituted a player wafakundaba. Akamkhipha uHoto. I think it was a Soweto derby.
Yeah.
Akamkhipha uHoto because ufuna ukwenzani, ufuna go offloader in it crosses. It worked for them. They scored a goal. You know. So that's how you see a coach ama changes awenzayo. But there was a combination that I complained about,
yes.
You know. A combination ka Nomtatjela noMakhawula. You know. And I stated ukuthi this combination it doesn't stabilize isisu separates. At the same time, ama players which is Police and Urele or whoever all then they always have to come deep to collect the ball. Wayishintsha wafaka uMbatha wafaka noMakhawula uMbatha noNtatjela. Then now uMbatha is so brilliant, so that's where you can say
free role
man to deliver those balls. That's when you can see that, oh wow, this guy is so brilliant. Then the players as well. Paris players are quality players. They're young, energetic, quality. You know, so yeah, it's a bit of a both for me.
It's a bit of a both.
Yeah.
Sisakuyona Pirates sisiphuma kuyona. iRanade bebukeke ngathi bazoyenza this season. They couldn't. Kunama cup ade kubheka ukuthi bangase bawine, bangawawina baphuma ku Champions League, Nedbank and the others and stuff, you know. Akubaniki yini lokho ipressure right now ukuthi kufanele ngempela bayowina iBetway Premiership.
Bayibhubhudlile. Okokuqala ucoach wePirates kufanele ayithathe i-responsibility. Number 1, if you remember indlela baphuma ngayo kwiCAF. Baphuma kwiCAF, it's because of the changes that awayenza at that time. You cannot bench abadlali afana noHoto. You cannot bench your quality players. You cannot change your team weekly. You remember when you're playing CAF, you're playing every after 2 games.
Yeah.
I mean 2 days or 3 or so.
Yeah,
so you cannot rotate your team like that all the time. You know, maybe 1 or 2 players, but sometimes you change 4 players. You know, and that's when you're like, dude, you're still a young coach, you're still learning, so don't do this. That's a risk.
Even yes. For them to drop ama points like they did,
it's because of that. It's one of those. You remember Pirates, they had 2 games on hand. When Sundowns was playing in Africa, Peace in Africa, they took 2 games in hand. By Popul. Kanjana. They made a lot of rotation. I remember one of the amafamula bawenza uNomtatjela, that combination uNomtatjela. Secondly, I remember dropping uHoto for uNdaba. So it's one of those, and you're like, dude, you can't do this. You need uHoto, you need those crosses, you need the balance, you need someone who understand. You know. Yes, uNdaba is playing, but he's still a young guy. He still needs to learn a lot of things, tactical and otherwise. You know, so it's one of those things. Hence, I'm saying, Orlando Pirates coach must also take full responsibility. You know.
Lokho nje ngifuna sikhuluma kancane ngale tempo. We know ukuthi iPirates tempo yabo it's very very fast.
Very high, yeah.
Ngokubuka kwakho akwenzeki yini ukuthi itempo yakho isebenzisa igcine kubiyona exposure kubiyona ekudayisayo kuma transition especially because we've seen a lot of that whereby iPirates they are attacking in full force. Then so which they will lose the ball. Towards the attacking area and stuff. Then they are punished through that.
Tempo Pirates is very good, but sometimes it does expose them. How? Hence, I was saying my advice was where you keep the tempo going forward, but when you reach the 18 area of the other team, head up, drop the tempo. Why I'm saying that? I'm saying that simply because, remember, you're not 100% perfect. You can still lose the ball. Then, remember, when you lose the ball, the other team can take the ball and attack, which is counter-attack. Yeah. You know. So it's one of those things that they need to learn. Okay, now, when we attack, who's guarding us? You know. Because remember, Pirates, when Pirates attack, everyone attacks.
That's the thing.
Defensive infield, attacking infield, everyone is there in 18 area. Everyone wants to score, you know. Okay, so now, tactically, coach needs to say, okay, now that we're there, let's trust one person. Let's take two out to guard us. Because obviously our backline, and just to state more on that, to show you when everyone was there. Remember Mbogazi used to score a lot of goals around 18 area to prove that everyone is there. Even the backline, everyone is there.
They all move.
They all move, which exposes them. Teams like and team ezinabadlali abanespeed, team ezikwazi, like for example ucoach engibona ukuthi yakwazi ucapitalize kulento yabadlali benza kanjalo. Coach Siyama is starting to read those kind of tactics kuma opposition. So iyabashaya kakhulu. Yes, kubalula ukuthi because baba overexposed, you know. Because it's not that ukuthi every attack is a goal. There's nothing like that. You know, it's football. You can't be 100%. But then now they need to minimize to say, okay, when we reach there, in order for us not to be reattacked, let's make sure that we convert our chances. By converting your chances, you're limiting the over 10. Kusho kanjalo kwi-rugby to over 10. You are limiting that. Then you're winning the ball.
Jeez. Asibuke team number 3, which is Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, I think they've made a good run so far, coming from position 9, if not 10, to position 3, for which I think at some point they had 5 games unbeaten. Or
yeah, 4 games. 4 games, yeah. Yeah, it was 4
strictly
games.
win for 4 games or 5 games and stuff, which I think was a huge achievement. Obviously ibaliteli ukuthi babe la bekho
huge achievement
ukuthi mangabe ubuka
huge achievement kanjani. We're talking about Kaizer Chiefs.
It is huge because we know for the past seasons ukuthi once bastuck ku9 bastakile ku9 ukusuka ku9 uze ku3, it is not like a child's play. So for me, I'd say like there was a bit of an upper hand in terms of their approach, but the achievement ngavele bajwayele nongabukhona ukuthi so I question la isekutheni la bemekhona njengamanje balandela amaZulu. Abanenkinga ke namaZulu because amaZulu next game ayawina, next game ayadraw, next game ayalose, angaluza wonke futhi ama game asele mase ethandile amaZulu. Let's say they keep the status, by the way, by Africa. Do you see them performing well in Africa?
If there are no changes, no. Let me analyze it this way. Oqala amaZulu ano 43 points, not 47 points. 4 games left. There's no guarantee ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will win wonke ama games. Same applies with amaZulu.
But we have 4 teams angithi bafethu. 4 teams we confirm. No Nedbank. They are out. Yeah, they are out.
So my thing.
Vele akho guaranteed ukuthi futhi Kaizer vele izowina lama games njengoba nje izoshaya.
That's my point. So now these 4 games. amaZulu ana 43, it's not 47. amaZulu asengasifica. Ukhumbule phela iKaizer Chiefs ayinayo coach, amaZulu ano coach. Ngokwe standards amaZulu. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have a coach.
Yeah.
I don't count those interim guys.
Yeah.
They've been exposed a lot of times. Look at now, they're playing against CM. UCM win a game clean. Wazi wabiza yonke technical team yakhe. Ezoyibonga ukuthi na abantu abangisebenzelayo. Because ushaya iKaizer Chiefs. Ibuke lento. Mawushaya iKaizer Chiefs uyablow. Imaka kufuza la. Wait,
ushaya iKaizer Chiefs. Ngokusho kwaCM asisho into yasho uCM.
Kuye kusho kwakhe.
Washo ukuthi uCM wathi ingoba bakwazi ukuthi bakhiphe istatus se-league for which it was within the mandate of the owner of the club.
I think ikushiftele kanje. Buko Owador. Edraw neKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Sibone elinye side lakhe. The side that we didn't know. He was complaining all the way. That's the side we didn't know about the guy. Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in Africa. Everybody wanna beat Kaizer Chiefs, and when you beat Kaizer Chiefs, your CV. Ngizala la ngizakhona. Yabo uCM if uCM bedlale neTS Galaxy.
Yagcina nini ukwini league Chiefs?
2015.
How is it still a big team? How is it still a big team?
Our culture. Look at our culture.
Does culture play football?
Izala.
Does culture win the game?
Ngifuna ukuzala ama facts. Sigcine uLeague 2015. Kwenzakala no2019. What happened in 2019? Do you remember?
Does culture
wait.
Kwenza
no 2019 our jersey was voted the best in the world. Ithi ngiphindele our jersey Kaizer Chiefs was voted the best in the world. The sponsors that we have, we attract a lot of sponsors.
Is it having sponsors or having jersey elizothengiswa umhlaba wonke?
That's a lot.
Does that win cups?
Uthe neutral nje.
That's
I'm still neutral. I'm a general.
No, ngithi mina engikushoyo usho kimi. Ngithi mina engikushoyo. If ubuka ilo kuza Kaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ayawina ama trophies ngalendlela afana wawina ngayo. Kodwa
futhi ayidlali
ama revenues wayo. Asidlali futhi nebhola right. But financial ama revenues wethu.
I-revenue yona esho ukuthi we best team.
Africa culture yethu you think baleni into ezikuveza ukuthi best team
Africa
no wait ngifuna ukubala into
yini umsebenzi wokuwina kanye mangabe
ngizokubalela
Sithi Sundowns melihlale ekhaya.
No, Sundowns
Pirates kumele ihlale ekhaya. Ngoba ayikho into eyenza.
Ithi ngibalela. Sundowns ngawina ama stars awu5. It will never be the biggest team in
Ingakho ngithi kushuthi Sundowns kumele ihlale ekhaya ngoba kushuthi ukudlala ibhola akusebenzi. Into esebenzayo ijezi elizothengwa kakhulu nabantu abazogcwala eFNB.
Ibhola phela it's a wide thing. Ibhola lidinga iculture. Ibhola lidinga abalandeli. Yebo ngisho without abalandeli alikho ibhola. Yabo Sundowns
Sundowns abalandeli balesimo kumele bayisibhedlela abantu.
No, ngoba sibonele Sundowns nabalandeli abawu5.
About 5, okay.
Labalandeli abawu5 Sundowns. Every time medlalo bona abalandeli abawu5. No one cares about Sundowns. Mangithi no one cares, it doesn't mean that no one ayekho umuntu waziyo but culture yeSundowns uhleze esho umutsepe athi ufisa ukubuild iSundowns ibe njenge Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthini lo?
Angazi ngimuza umthetho.
Hleze sho kanjani?
Umthetho udlala eAfrica.
Ngicela umutsepe hleze sho kanjani?
Umutsepe uhleze ekuma semifinals.
Ngiyavuma lo kunestar.
WeCAF. But yini angazifanisa neteam ejabulela ukuthi nejezi elithengisa.
In terms of the culture. In terms of abalandeli, in terms of popularity, in terms of the status. Umutsepe uzohamba eAfrica kwi-meeting. Eqala uthi uthatha Sundowns eAfrica bafike bambuza ngeKaizer Chiefs. So on what basis? Popularity, everybody knows Kaizer Chiefs. African legends when they come to South Africa.
No, listen to that.
Wait for this.
Asikhulume mhlambe ngeUEFA.
Yes.
Or sikhuluma ngeEurope in particular. Yipi team ejwayele ukuduma kakhulu eEurope ile edlala only kwi-domestic league noma ile egcine isidlala na kwi-UEFA ngokwakho.
Ngizokuphendula kanje.
Phendula straight.
No wait, ngikuphendula kanje.
NgiseEurope akengisuke
ngiseEurope ngiyayithanda lento. Yabona Manchester United.
Yeah.
Manchester United yagcina udlala iChampions League ngo20 like in terms of domination I think it was 2012. But in Manchester United if ungaya njengamanje in terms of revenues, in terms of everything, it's the second biggest team in the world. Manchester United. I'm a Man City fan. Manchester, why? Because you can win all the trophies as Man City, but you can never take away culture. You can never take away the popularity. You can go everywhere, they'll ask you about Manchester United. Kusho a Man City fan. You can go as Sundowns in Africa, they will ask you about Kaizer Chiefs.
On what basis?
It is the biggest team in Africa. It's Al Ahly and then it's us. No one else.
Okay, makhishwa ama ratings wama team. Iyabalwa ni Chiefs.
Makhishwa ama ratings ama team. Manchester United uthola ku number 40. But
ngama-jerseys makhona ama-jerseys noma nge-team
okay sikubuza kanje
egcwala kule stadium enama-derby ke mhlawumbe ngabali nje but hleze sibuka la kuveza uhlelo lokuthi yipi team enkulu eAfrica ayikho Chiefs iko number 32 Chiefs.
Ngiyakuvuma lo.
Yes.
Ngiyakuvuma lo.
How do you then consider that's the biggest team in Africa?
Lalela ke ngitshela.
On what merit?
Ithi ngibela nje. I-team enkulu ayidetermine ukuthi
no,
iba
ichaze. Keep ama step lapha siyiboni.
Ngiyakuzwa lo.
Ngiyakuvuma
lo. asidinge ma stats lalela asadinga ma stats
understand ngoba lento esho lapha iyona wena ufuna ukuchazela
iyona le on paper right on paper le let's go to the reality.
What's reality?
Reality is that. Let's go to reality. Let's go to reality. Take the biggest team, which is Sundowns, number 2 in Africa.
Yeah.
Take Sundowns. Ifake la stadium.
Angizayibona
reality. No,
Chiefs iteam enkulu on what merit? On what grounds?
Ngilalela phela ngiqedele inkulumo yami. Ngithi mina thatha Sundowns ifake stadium la amakhelwane. Uthathe Chiefs uyifaka ngala. Ube so memeza uthi bafethu la eAfrica. iSundowns number 2 is the team is the biggest, is the second biggest team in Africa. Usho kanjalo. Uthi asambeni sene stadium. Uyabona umhlobo.
Ngokwakho biggest team udetermine yini?
Culture. Number 1. Culture. You cannot build a culture.
Noma ngangadlala njengoba ngifana ukuthi anidlali nini.
Ithi kwenzela kanje. Ithi kwenzela kanje.
Yini ngahlala ekhaya?
Ngifuna ukwenzela kanje. La eSouth Africa ngifuna siphume siye ku politics. La eSouth Africa ngifuna siye ku politics. La eSouth Africa ku politics sine ANC, sine MK, sine IFP, sine DA akhona wonke amaqembu. But ANC is not being called the ANC, it's called Mighty ANC. There's a reason for that. Mighty ANC. There's COSATU, there's SACP, namanye nezinye inhlaka ezingaphansi kwayo. But if you look at MK, they don't have izinhlaka. If you look at the MK isuka kuphi? If you look at the FF isuka kuphi? Wonke lamaqembu they are coming from the Mighty ANC. If sibuyele ebholeni, abalandeli beSundowns engabalandeli beChiefs, abalandeli bePirates engabalandeli beChiefs. Abalandeli wonke umuntu favor Kaizer Chiefs abese favor lethile lamaqembu.
Ilokhu nje iChiefs ifika iPirates ikhona. If you go Swallows back on,
but
Chiefs was formed the same year with Sundowns. That means the time Chiefs iqala iba nabantu ababe loyal to Chiefs, Sundowns yayiqala iba nabantu abaloyal.
Why Sundowns in a 5 in a 5 match?
Okay, angithi angikuphikisi la. But the meaning Sundowns iqala iba nabalandeli, ne Chiefs yayiqala iba nabalandeli.
Bafo. Yabona ngizotshela yodwa mina. Ngizotshela yodwa. Kuyo yonke into ekhaya ungakha ikhampani ungakha yonke into, but if there's no culture you're out. Culture is everything.
What culture is Kaizer Chiefs? Ngifuna uzale culture mhlawumbe mina uthi iculture yani eyani leyo culture ukugcwala stadium jersey ya.
Number 1 Kaizer Chiefs number 1 Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi makurelease jersey siyalithenga jersey, that's number 1, that's culture. Number 1. Number 2 Kaizer Chiefs.
And that makes you a biggest.
Wait, ngifuna ukubalela. That's number 1.
Yeah.
Siyaluza siyawina siyayazi Chiefs. Number 1. Number 2 Kaizer Chiefs, if ukhona igame emabhida siyayazi noba it's a must ukuthi fanele semabhida.
Must go there.
Number 3 Kaizer Chiefs i-team yokuqala la South Africa kuba nama branches, lekuthiwa ama branches, kufilishwa ama forms yonke lento. Yonke into is professional. That's culture, building a culture. When Uphuthi mentioned when the likes of Patco Mafani were working very hard from the grounds back in the days, they were preparing what you call it culture.
So they were consolidating what you are saying, right? Uma ngabe kunjalo, then umbuzo wami usasemunye nje ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi ukuthengelwa ijersey, ukugcwalisa izstadium, it's then consider you a big team. Then what's the meaning of playing? Why Sundowns fanele ijuliwe? Because okushuthi uyahlala iChiefs ifana nabantu abahlele ekhaya. We're speaking about a team that spent the whole 10 years without a cup. A team that is underperforming, estruggle ngisho kuya eAfrica. Yet you call it a big team. Then my question, why kufanele siyodlala siyiSundowns noma siyiPirates uma ngabe kushuthi ukuya egrounding doesn't change anything?
Naku umbuzo ngiyibuza wona ke mina. Ake sithi Chiefs i-team encane, ngifuna uzala. Ngifuna ukuzala la ngi-opposite ke manje. Ake sithi team encane.
It's a small team.
Ngifuna uzala lapho. Ngifuna siza lapho. Ithi-Chiefs i-team encane. Kodwa kuzodlala i-Pirates ne-Chiefs. I-Pirates ne-Sundowns. Kukhulunywe ngeKaizer Chiefs. Why?
Angaze ngizokhulunywa
yonke into ngiyakutshela mina. Kuhambe Sundowns.
Ayisinike uzikalala ithu.
Ngicela ukubuza bafethu la njengoba iChiefs kade imasha. That is a culture of a team when njengoba imasha iKaizer iyenatural. That is still part of the culture of the team wini. Phendula lapha.
Yeah, phendula.
Before ngimphendule eqala. Before ngimphendule ngifuna uzala.
Hayi akuyena uzobona.
No, ngifuna uzala. Funa iqede lenkulumo le. Funa siqede lenkulumo le. i-Chiefs noma ngadlalela iqembu la eSouth Africa i-Sundowns eAfrica njengamanje angithi i-Sundowns iyodlala i-finals ze-CAF akudlala i-finals ze-CAF i-Chiefs idlala namaZulu happy game ezokhulunywa ngayo nje emphakathini social media yonke indawo
idliwe makes a lot of noise. I-Chiefs inabalandeli abaningi, that means abantu abaningi umsindo
ngicela ukubuza why bebaningi abalandeli be-Chiefs?
Why bebaningi?
Yebo.
Let me break it down. Ngizoshaya into short.
No, it's okay.
Very short. I-Chiefs yaba nabalandeli abaningi ngoba ngesikhathi eyafonywa ngaso isona isikhathi se-transformation whereby black people were getting an opportunity to go to the stadium. Then babaningi because i-brand yakhona, remember i-Chiefs yafonywa uKaizer Motaung, a person who was coming from USA dlala ku league yakhona. He understood marketing. That's the first thing. I-Chiefs yathi mayifika yayenza lento ye-marketing yaba broad. Ithe mayikhulu into ye-marketing, it attracted more fans, more football followers and stuff. Kwenzakalana abantu mangabe be-attract abantu abaningi abama-football followers, then mina ngizo-injecta leyo nto leyo kumntwana wami, ngizo-injecta to my family. Then that's how Kaizer Chiefs consolidated.
Why Sundowns can't do the same thing?
It's because umuntu owayelida nowayeyifoma didn't have umqondo ofana noKaizer Motaung.
Then iKaizer Chiefs
ngabuye USA wayenganayo i-team structure noma into ayifoma eyayizokwenza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi agroom abantu abaningi.
Wena ukhuluma into engiyikhulumayo and engithanda to add on that, uJessica is continuing with that legacy.
Ingakho ngithi mina ukuba nezihlwele eziningi doesn't make you a big team.
That's part of it. That's part and parcel of it.
It doesn't.
No, that's part and parcel of that. Ukuba nabalandeli abaningi, that's part and parcel of that. Yabo Al Ahly i-culture yakhona. If you look at Al Ahly i-culture ya Al Ahly ne culture eKaizer Chiefs, very similar. Fans akhona are so passionate about football. If you look at fans eKaizer Chiefs, very passionate about football. Lose or win. Buka abantu abafana nomahaya. Abantu abafana nomahaya, when they talk about football, you can hear you can see the passion from that guy. Whether it's a lose or win. The last one, Kaizer Chiefs fans are very, very loyal. Very, very.
Last question,
they're very, very loyal. You know, that's Kaizer Chiefs. You know, that's why I always emphasize that even if I know it's a disrespect in a way to Sundowns, but even if Sundowns can win 5 stars, it will always be lower than Kaizer Chiefs.
But Sundowns would leave the mark in a football fraternity. That's why noma ngabe uwelela emazweni aphesheya
bekubuza ngoDr Khumalo. That's why bekubuza ngoDr Khumalo, babuze amazi Dr Khumalo.
Hayi mawulandela ibhola, you know ukuthi once wawela waphesheya kukhulunywa ngeSundowns because it played twice in a Club World Cup. We haven't seen Chiefs. No, we haven't seen Chiefs. Ubuzwa ngeSundowns.
Uyabona manje. Sikhuluma ngeChiefs for 40 minutes manje. Mina nawe kade sikhuluma into esakhuluma nje iqembu. Sikhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs nje kuphela.
It's because ama questions that are directed to you. Say culture umasha.
Uyabona?
Last question. It's a last question by the way.
Uyabona ukumasha kwabalandeli beKaizer Chiefs angikuhlekisa. Ngikuphasisa ngalendlela yokuthi iKaizer Chiefs la Africa ngiyaphinda lo, the second best team ever, the biggest team, you know, in Africa. So ukuba i-biggest team
after which Al
Ahly, yes. It's Al Ahly and then it's us and then abanye ubhuquza
lezi.
Yeah. Sundowns phako number 54. But ke so ikhuluma lo ngeSundowns ngenyilanga. It's fine. Ngithi ke mina ukuhamba kwabena Chorena kukufaka pressure nencindezi. We need changes. Asifuna ukuthi sihlale sithi konke okwenza Kaizer Chiefs go right. Njengamanje we don't have a coach. Kaizer Chiefs. We need a coach. So ukumasha kwabo
coach ni best team. Well, you are doing well. You are still second.
Asiqale kanje. Ukukunaka ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs njalo mayifuna umdlali. I-prize yenyuka. Kodwa lapha ya wenye team, i-prize encane. Kukunaka lo. Kwenziwa yini lo?
Ngiyifakaza into engayazi.
Ngizoyifakaza mina ngoba ngiyayazi kade yenzeka. Nabo apolice. Apolice asimdinga ngo 10 million. Bagijima qala. Baya ke. Baniki. Kwaba. Bagijima qala. Serious. Those are facts.
Nje umoya wagijima kuqala baningi. Umbule.
Ayisasiza umbule. Ayisayisiza umbule bakuthi hayi. Wasisiza umbule ngoba hayi babhekene nenkinga lapha ngiyabona nje. Yeah, babhekene nenkinga lapha website.
Sesivala mhlawumbe mfowethu ubani ombona ewina ileague kulama team awu3 mhlawumbe ilast 4 yakho ethi kuzoma kanje kume kanje noma ubani mengayanga kule position osethubeni lokuba kule position ubani.
Mina nje engizokutshela kona iPirates is a winning league top 4. Pirates number 1, Sundowns number 2, Chiefs number 3, AmaZulu number 4 noma umunye kodwa nje le top 3 ayibeka le. Pirates, Sundowns, the Chiefs.
Mahaya
play of the season
le 4 le i-top 4 le esho uBhungane.
No, ushaya ama statistics naye base into eyenzakalayo.
Eyakithini.
He might be correct, but mina ngisamile ngisakholelwa kwiSundowns ukuthi iSundowns nangokufisa kwami futhi ngisafisa iSundowns ngoba ngaba yihlazo ukuthi i-team edlala i-Champions League unumber 1 isimele kwi-CAF izoba unumber 2 kwi-league yethu.
iSundowns ayimela ngathini imele yona.
No sengisholo akesibuke nje njenge-Africa ukuthi phela i-CAF ayikho versus iSundowns neChiefs kuphela. Masingayithandi thina iSundowns kodwa kusala isport ekusona iyodlala elizwe. So iSundowns mengaba unumber 1 lapha kwi-CAF ibe unumber 1 futhi ngabe ibuye nestar ngabisho ukuthi iyama good competitor ithole ngoba kufanele. Kodwa ngokwe-Pirate performance iya deserve nayo kuba unumber 1.
Absolutely.
Siqeda lapho. Bhungane ngizobala in player of the season.
Player of the season Apolis.
Goalkeeper of the season.
I'll give it to China.
Goal scorer of the season. Dion manje ehleli phambili.
Angiboni ukuthi khona umunye
osazomnyaka.
Yeah, mhlawumbe ngaba uRenas nangaphi le?
Umlandela ngathi ugoals I think.
Yeah, mhlawumbe ngaba uRenas kodwa nje izolala kuSundowns. Yeah, and then bahambe bayodlala noBrosaf World Cup.
World Cup.
Yeah, ngakunika.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uBros uzomthatha uRenas.
Uthatha inyiko Mobi qala. Uthatha inyiko Mobi. Yamkhumbula inyiko Mobi angithi? Yeah, uthatha favorite yakhe.
Keep ulo umtawo. Beno Thapelo Mrene
uzobadlalisa but unyiko Mobi nayo yahamba noBros yamazi
sathi imali yamahalo
yahamba unyiko Mobi
nganza kwethu. That was Bhungane, a usual suspect on a Sport Avenue. Ngihleli screen sasithokoza sontshanga sigama sabela mfokanda base selivale hlelo lawo iDurban Network sithi abake babonana baphinde babonana. Danko
shiqe.